Another senior soldier retired as ZDF commander presides over Vehu promotion. Sarabina mashoko budanyuka panguva ino achinzi. Another senior officer is exited the Zimbabwe Defense Forces as commander of the ZDF, General Emmanuel Matatu. On Tuesday presided over the promotion, the retirement of Major General Tom Jefter Mnangagwa, who was elevated to the rank of Brigadier General upon leaving active service. Sarabina mashoko budapangwa inai. Not about subscribe or like or on the bell like what even upon a patron like line of Daniel Chinsi. Another top soldier retired. Zim Iron Ramberino cheating. The ceremony adds to a growing list of high-ranking military retirements, underscoring continued changes within the upper echelons of the defense forces. Addressing officers and invited guests, General Matatu hailed Mnangagwa as a foundational figure within the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, particularly in the Corps of Engineers, where he served. From the forces' inception, it played a key role in the institutional development. In quotes, it is my pleasure this afternoon to preside over this ceremony, where I have just conferred the rank and status of Major General Tom Mnangagwa. General Matatu said he has served the Zimbabwe Defense Forces from its inception, witnessed its evolution, and contributed immensely to its development. General Matatu described Mnangagwa's career as illustrious, telling the retiring officer that the promotion was deserved and urging him not to detach himself from the military institution despite formally leaving service. You retire and you go into your retirement. Please do not isolate yourself from the organization, he said. This is your home. You spend the majority of your life serving the nation, both before and after independence. He concluded by formally bidding farewell to Mnangagwa, telling him he would be missed as he joined the ranks of retired senior officers. In his response, Brigadier General Mnangagwa expressed gratitude for the recognition, attributing his elevation to the mentorship, support, and confidence shown by his commanders throughout his career. It is basically through your support, guidance, and mentorship, and belief in my abilities that culminated in today's recognition, he said. He paid special tribute to his wife and family, describing their support as central to his ability to serve until retirement. Mnangagwa's departure marks another senior military exit, reinforcing perceptions of an ongoing generational and structural transition within the Zimbabwe Defense Forces top command. Ndoma developments oitika mabarracks. Pita comment section medu za fungo aim to believe I'm super cheat coach. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.